Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. It's Monday. It's a holiday for many of you. Robin is off. So, let's talk about yesterday and last night's meal. I have good news and I have bad news. The good news, the chicken and gnocchi soup with homemade chicken broth was wonderful. Yummy. I almost said that. Yummy, wonderful. Yes. The 4-ingredient, no-knead bread, failure. I followed the instructions, which are very basic. I did the research, and it never rose. It was a lump. Look at the pictures. They're up. They're posted. I hate baking. Enough. Okay. Today, because we're having wonderful chicken and gnocchi soup leftovers for dinner, I'm taking the day off. No filming, no working on projects, just me and my television, and going to try to take a nap with a cat, if they'll have me. So, enjoy your Monday, eat great food, and have fun cooking.